Hello, my name is Robert Moore, and I'm here to talk about binomial distributions from Chapter 5. A local university reports 15% of their students take their general education courses on a pass-fail basis. Assume that 15 students are registered for a general education course. Well, before we do anything, we're going to write down the information that we have first. So, we know that the probability is 0.15 or 15%, and the sample size is 15 students. So A asks, what is the expected number of students who have registered on a pass-fail basis? We'll figure this out. We simply do the sample times the probability, which is 15 times 0.15, and that gives you 2.25, or 0.0225%. So 2% of the students who have registered on a pass-fail basis. B asks, what is the probability that exactly 5 are registered on a pass-fail basis? Well, what this question is asking is, out of the 15 students, exactly what is the probability of exactly 5 registering? So to figure this out, we will use the function Binomial PDF on the calculator. This will give us the exact number. In order to figure this out, or to find this function, you do second vars, scroll down till you see this binomial PDF. On the calculator, it will come up as the trials. You plug in 15, the probability, 15%, and the exact number. After you plug that in, this will give you 0.04490. So this states 4%, well, roughly 4% of the 15 students, 5 are registered on a pass-fail basis. C. Okay. What is the probability more than 4 are registered on a pass-fail basis? Well, this is a cumulative question because it's asking more than 4. So, figure this out. We go back to the calculator and we look up binomial cumulative distribution function because it's asking more than 4. So that means 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up to 15. So, in order to figure this out, we do the same thing, second vars in the calculator, scroll down until you see binomial CDF, and you simply plug in the sample size probability is 15%. And since it says 4 or more, we're going to include 4. Now by doing this, you have to make sure you subtract it by 100% or 0.1, or 1.0. So when you do this, your answer comes out to 0.0617. So 6% cumulative of students, 4 or more, are registered on a pass-fail basis. Okay. D. Last part of this question. D asks, what is the probability that less than 2 are registered on a pass-fail basis? Well, they're asking less than 2. Those are your key terms. So that means anything less than 2, 1 and 0. That is also a cumulative function. So, same thing. Second vars, look for the binomial cumulative distribution function by doing second vars, scrolling down. And now this one, since it's less than, you will put 15 as your sample size, 15% is your probability, and 1 because it's asking less than 2. And when you press that, it comes out to 0.3186. So about 31 or almost 32% of students has the probability that less than 2 are registered on a pass-fail basis. Thank you very much.